how can you remix a short on the YouTube on the iPad? Let me explain that. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So whenever you are browsing your YouTube, you can go to the shorts, right? Obviously, you can start watching the content or whatever. But in order to remix the thing, you need to pay attention to the little remix button. So no matter which video you are watching or whatever, you need to pay attention to the remix. It's part of the buttons where you have the comment, and so on. But you also should see that. But it depends on the creator, because some creators may allow it, others may not like that. So whenever you are publishing the shorts, you need to decide if you want to allow remixing or not. But let's say that you do, that the button will be clickable right here. And this is gonna start or trigger the process of the YouTube shorts and editing the stuff, right? So yeah, as you can see, not many people actually support that, but if they do, you will be able to see it right away. So yeah, that's the whole point behind it, and that's how you can basically do it. Yeah, when it comes to editing some features or whatever, then it's not really much that you can do, but that is the whole point. You need to just tap that. So let me know in the comments below if you actually managed to find it and make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'm gonna talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and quick guides like this one.